Alright, so I've gently added the egg through that. I'm going to add the butter and the vanilla essence now. I like to put the egg through first before adding the melted butter. Obviously because the butter is a little bit warm and we don't want to start cooking the egg just yet. And we're using melted butter because we want to make this a quick and easy recipe. Cookie doughs can be a little bit difficult to mix through, and because, again, we want to make this quick and simple, I like to just chuck it into a quick freezer bag. Give it a good old swish. Saves it getting underneath your fingernails and all through your utensils. Ready to roll. Just grab however much dough you want to make it. So I want mine to be quite big, so as you can see, this is quite a big ball of dough. Pop a knuckle into the middle, just to give yourself a little bit of a crater. Now I have made my own caramel, and I do have a link in my channel there for you to go and have a look at how to make your own. But if you want to keep this nice and quick and simple, just get one of those bacon fill tins from your local supermarket, or you can even use something like a Rolo chocolate, something like that that has a caramel center. So fill that back over like that, give it a nice little pat down, and repeat for however many cookies you're making. Make sure you've left a decent amount of space in between each of your cookies, because these are going to flatten out considerably. I'm going to pop these in the oven for about 18 minutes. I'll check on them at about the 16-minute mark, but they'll probably need 18 minutes, and I'll put them in at 180 degrees Celsius. Alright, fresh out of the oven. They're looking pretty good. They're sitting pretty high. And this one right here is a really good example of what will happen if you don't actually cover that caramel properly and you leave a little bit of it exposed. So this cookie is still going to taste delicious, but it's sunken in the middle. So it just affects the aesthetics of the cookie, not the taste. Now I've given these about 20 minutes, maybe half an hour to cool down. And whilst they aren't completely cooled down, I think half of the masterpiece in these cookies is eating them while they're still slightly warm. Because then you get this delicious caramel, gooey, soft chocolate. Oh, so delicious.